Welcome to day 4 of the KTM rally. Today we're leaving Dargo and we're heading up to dinner playing.
Oh, just the drying room.
As soon as we can dry our boots, that is.
Yeah. It's sorted one out. Perfect.
Yeah. Give that a go too.
Now today is the second last day of the KTM rally, but today is also the day that I find out about Jason's bowel movements, something I thought I was never going to have to listen to. But first things first, we've got to make it up to Dargo, where KTM have organised a breakfast for us. The first stop for today, we were heading down to Bairnsdale, and we're hoping we're going to be there by about lunchtime. We're going to grab some lunch there, relax a bit, and then head up to dinner playing. Should be an awesome day. Now if you find the main cabins up at Dargo booked out, look up Airbnb. This little gem was listed there and it's pretty good accommodation. It's only 5 minutes away from the pub too. Now check out all the boys in front of the Dargo hotel. They're chomping at the bit to leave. I'm not leaving yet, it's a little bit too cool for me to go. I might warm up with a coffee and brekkie first. Now that I'm interviewing, what's going on? You're not coming with us?
No.
Why not?
I don't know what
just say what you said before, that you've got sand somewhere. Sand in something. Like I can't remember what exactly you said. You had sand in something.
No, you misheard
So,
me.
sand in your boot. Sand in your vest. I can't remember. Anyway. Now with Tyson bailed out, we don't have to worry about him falling off his bike and getting trapped under it anymore. We're going to have an enjoyable day, worry-free. Thanks, Tyson. The only worry I've got now is listening to Jason talk about his bowels. But I'm going to share that with you guys, so pay attention. Again, when they said they put breakfast on the arm, they usually do. Hey, choice. That's the other guy. I think the shop makes some mad bacon egg rolls. Oh, okay. Yeah. I can't eat bacon. Well, you can't.
Well, I can. But I think I can shit it half an hour later.
Yep, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. Apparently that's what happens to Jason after bacon. Go figure. So did you do the first breakout too?
Yeah, that was fun.
Was it?
Yeah. Did you do it?
No, we were just, like, by the time we left, and then we were just cruising along. And after a coffee to warm us up, and Jason disappeared for a bit. I'm not sure where he went. Maybe he smelt some bacon, who knows. But we're on our way down to Bairnsdale. We've just got to try to catch up to everybody now, given we were probably one of the last groups to leave. Now Jason avoided bacon this morning, so it didn't affect his bunghole, but I'm pretty sure he's got a bunghole problem right now. Where the clamp between your muffler and the pipe, is that still on? Now instead of trying to find out what was wrong with his exhaust, Jason decided to look for some brown snakes in the long grass. What's that?
That's all it is.
Can you start it and just put your hand over the end?
I checked mine yesterday and mine was loose.
Just start it and then sort of block the end off. Like maybe not necessarily with your hand, but Go again. You've lost your Bung, your O2 sensor.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, so you're not fixing that.
No.
Yep.
Riding without it.
Yep. So where the you never had your O2 sensor when you took it out?
It off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
hopefully
Yeah, you'll
Jason
be
will
able
be
to
able
get
to
one
fix
at
his bung hole in Bairnsdale. Good luck, Jason.
What's going on? Fuck.
I'll be telling some people to stop over the creek, man.
Fucking hell. Hey, what's going on up here?
It's just,
Must be
it's on the
Hamburger
wrong
Hill.
hill. There's no one moving.
Why not?
Hey, Jay! Wait there! There's no room here.
Yeah, tell everyone to stop before they come over.
So is there heaps of people in front of us because they've got their helmets off?
Yeah. You should get your helmet off, mate.
Fucking hell. They should have said it's a 5 chili.
Can you grab my hat?
I haven't even heard a bike start.
That's fucked. Surely we can go around. So you can't go around. You haven't walked up there?
That guy there just walked up to check. The guy like in front of him.
So yeah, you can't go around like
Funny.
fucking hell. How you feeling, Jace?
Yeah, right. Riding the tractor. Oh, mate, there's a spider coming right at you. Turn your head. Not in front of you, no, the other way.
What? That's yours, Jace.
No way, I got the huntsman off yesterday.
Uh-oh.
He's a Spider-Man, mate. It's been...
Yeah, 2 huntsmen so far. Whoa! Whoa!
And with that done, we were heading to Bairnsdale. And I had 2 choices when we got there. I could have lunch with Dan and talk to him, or I could talk to a brown paper bag. And I figured that a brown paper bag would have a bit more intelligence than Dan, so that's what I did.
By the time we pick up the boys here, it'll be 1, 150 k's to go. You know, call that 4 hours, like maybe 3. So we're looking at 4 to 5 o'clock. Like, that's assuming that we don't have any issues.
Now, after discussing some options with my newfound friend, the brown paper bag from Bairnsdale, we decided to take the main route to Dinner Plain. Unfortunately, Dan had get a flat, but that was relief for me, because I could leave him behind and keep going. Now, as I was rolling into Dinner Plain, a wave of guilt came over me. Not because I wasn't there to help Dan fix his flat, but because I left Jason there to help Dan. I'm really, really sorry, Jace. Now I think it was about 3:30, maybe 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I got in at a great time. Alex beat me in, he took the road up, and so did Trav. I was pretty happy though. Made it in before dark, with plenty of time to go and grab a beer. Hopefully Jace will make it in before dark. All I had to do was find my bags, go and have a shower and tidy up, and I was heading for the pub.
Well, here we are. Dinner Plains. Wasn't a bad track, wasn't even dusty. We came from Bairnsdale. Well, we started in Dargo, all the way down to Bairnsdale, all the way down, and then back up to Dinner Plain. There we go. And now we got this place. Jeez. This is it. This is it. Not bad. Pretty good. The photographer's been caught having a moment. You haven't seen it?
Not yet, not yet.
Oh.
Coming up now.
Oh yeah. And guess what?
What?
Did he crash himself? Oh yeah, that's what
Fucking great.
So either the guy that videoed, I'm pretty sure it was the guy that videoed. No one helped me get it out of that, right? And then what happened is they went up on the bank, and just as I got my bike out, and he dropped his 890 right in front of me, right? And all the guys, they never helped me get it out, so I just rode off.
That was a media bike.
Remember the guy who had the on the side of the road and they had the like giving fluids? He got chopped out.
Yeah,
I thought it was strange. He crashed in that big open area.
Yeah, I passed through, like, there was a whole bunch of 690s were going to come in front of me, and I went, no, and I went around the first dude, and then the other dusted was remained behind me, and just died forward.
Yeah, no, well, I was giving Dan probably the best part of a kilometre.
Yeah.
Just, you know, because the dust just didn't go, we just sat there.
Yeah, just sat there, yeah.
Any idea what he crashed into?
Probably went off the track.
Oh, right.
It was pretty fast on that back road and rocky.
Was it?
If you came off, it wasn't guaranteed to end forward.
Yeah, right.
So they had a few races today. So yesterday there wasn't many accidents because the speed was down because on the brake. The guys who ride like fuck, which were all on the breakout, I think. So whereas today, once again, the speeds were up and it wasn't a breakout, so they were all doing the chasey thing.
Yeah. Crazy, isn't it? It's just crazy.
It's an adventure ride, the whole of you getting home, having a chat about it, not it.
I think it does need to be changed because there's too many Ks, you can't stop. It's not an adventure ride in my opinion, it is a rally rather than an adventure ride.
It is too hectic. It's just,
they
have to pull about 50 Ks out of every day.
Yeah.
And that 50 Ks is time for lunch, or whatever you want to do, and just everyone can get in by sort of 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's definitely a different experience.
This is the first one you've done?
Yeah.
This is the reason why the word gets out that the KTM rallies are hardcore.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Because there's lots of accidents, big ones, shockers. And
every day. It's multiple
bones.
people every day.
Every day. Yeah. Well, you look at the end of it all, and sort of look every day the bikes get carted away.
Yeah.
And it's always 3 or 4 or 5 bikes a day.
Yeah.
over a 5 day ride.
That's a lot, isn't it? Yeah, you're right.
And they're not just getting taken away because they're just.
Look, anything can happen to any one of us, so you can just have a crash.
Okay.
But yeah.
But the key is to ride within yourself and don't
And
trust
even
yourself.
Birchie, like, he just doesn't even know his own limits.
Nah, well, you have probably keen as a show off in your form, that sort of stuff. Like if you
Who's there next to me holding it? Sit over there. Sit over there. Hey. Oh, fucking hell.
Now. Drink it over.
Fucking hell.
I need to get a ton of pizza if you could just keep dumping it.
Yeah, now I'm gonna move my jumper up because you probably spill on my jumper too.
I didn't spill it.
Fucking hell.
Fucking wasn't me, you dickhead.
Seems like we've got too many chairs. I keep that so you can watch one.
You gotta put my baby chair in there.
Yeah, you've got enough one.
Is it the baby one?
Hey, don't sit down and waffle.
It would be cool if you hear there's snow outside. Like,
It's got beer all over it.
Explain to Mel why a 19-inch tube is better than a 20 and 18, 21 and 18.
Well, you can use it in both.
Really?
I'm 19 to get on the front.
Yeah, it's not ideal, but instead of
So, I don't know about you, but I had another amazing day. I am a little bit tired. The last 10K was a little bit long, but did you guys have fun on day 4?
Is this the last night or the... Is this the last night?
And that was day 4, done and dusted. Another great day, riding with a bunch of great guys. Now we've only got one more day to go. Stay tuned for day 5.
hey, don't get us excited.